Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do USB pass-through to a VM. First we're going to need to grab the extension pack on Windows. So let's do VirtualBox extension pack in Google. Go to download. Let's write all supported platforms, click it, it'll download. Then we'll launch VirtualBox. File, Preferences, Extensions, pick your download, install, read it if you want to, and then say I agree, say yes. Now that it's installed. Okay, now we're going to click our VM, which is Ubuntu. We're going to go to USB 3.0, and we're going to pick the USB device we want. So let's find our USB. One second. Plug in my USB here. And USB. Hit OK. Start. Okay, and there's our USB. Awesome. That'll be everything for this video. Thank you for joining me.